Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Bittorrent token. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of the BTT token. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, at this time the currently price update of the Bittorrent token, you can see here that the changes occurring in the BTT is completely going in the jump. You can see my friends. Now from this chart, everyone can understand that BTT is a good for an investment. BTT will give us profit in the future if these kind of jumps continue in a Bittorrent token, because you can see that due to this jump, just in the 2 hours, just in the 120 minutes, the Bittorrent token price taken a very huge pump. It's fine, my friends. Everybody can easily understand that now it's time to make a buy BTT token and make a huge amount of profit. So my friends, that's the reality of Bittorrent token. As and also I also recommend in my every video that Bittorrent token will give you a huge amount of profit if you hold for a long time. You know what, the low price coin is a long-term project, so in a low price coin you have to invest for a long term. After that you will get a very huge profit. 0.91% the price increase in the last 2 hours, and the highest price of the Bittorrent token is 0.002805 USD dollar. The live price, the currently price of the BTT token in the market is 0.002798 USD dollar. So my friends, you can see that the price jumps for here for a little time, and now the latest situation again the price exploded. So my friends, now never look this kind of temporary fast. There is temporary fast, my friends. So be alert in the cryptocurrencies market. Be alert, wake up every time you wake up. That is how you can make a huge amount of profit in the cryptocurrencies market. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.